Hi everyone, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel, and this session we will be exploring about mastering the CSIR UGC NET and some of the effective self-studies technique for biology and biology students. As you might be knowing, I have already qualified CSIR NET twice, that too in my first year of masters. I have also got the top 20% ranking with SPM examination call. Whether you are a biology, life science, biotech researcher who is willing to come into the bio-based research and want to pursue your PhD, then this examination is a very significant one for you, especially if you are from India. And this video, we will provide you with a valuable insight and practical tips to excel in your preparation without relying on any coaching. So let's dive in. The very crucial point here is to understand the examination format. Make sure you are well aware of the syllabus, the changes in the pattern of the examination. Familiarize yourself with the CSIR UGC NET exam pattern, including the syllabus and marking schemes. Identify the weightage of the different topic to prioritize your study plan accordingly. The exam also consists of multiple choice questions, so practice answering question within the given time frame. It is very important to create a study schedule. Develop a well-structured study plan that suits your learning style and availability. Divide your time effectively between different subject and the topic, ensuring sufficient coverage of the entire syllabus. See the past papers and the examination pattern, and based on that you will get the ideas which subject, which topics are more relevant and quite frequently coming in the examination. Allocate specific time slot for revision, practice test, and analyzing your progress. The third point is gather high quality study resources. Utilize textbook, reference materials, scientific journal to ensure your understanding of key concepts. And these days, everyone is having the laptop, internet. So make sure to use the online resources such as reputable educational website, e-books, and video lecture from renowned educator. You can also follow scientific journal and magazine to stay up to date on the latest trend in the research and development, especially in the biology and biotech sector. Additionally, you can also get some previous year question papers for the practice purpose, and don't forget to read the NCERT 11th and 12th book of biology to get the understanding of the basic biology. This will make your foundation stronger. The fourth point here is emphasize conceptual understanding. Focus on building a strong foundation by understanding the fundamental concept rather than memorizing the facts. Visualize the complex process by using diagram, flowchart, or concept map. If possible, make your notes in your own language and in your own style. I have already made one video in the past. I will be putting the link of that in the description section as well. If you are interested, you may watch that also. Additionally, relate the concept to the real life examples and application to make learning more engaging and relatable. Moving ahead, utilize the online platform. As I mentioned, everyone is having smartphone, internet, computer, desktop. So utilize these online platforms. Try to join online forum, discussion group, social media communities dedicated to CSIR UGC NET preparation. Participate in interactive discussion, clarify the doubt, and exchange study material with the fellow candidate. You can also take the advantage of online mock tests and practice papers to assess your knowledge and identify the area that require improvement. And it is also very important to review and revise regularly. Allocate dedicated time for regular revision, force your understanding of previously studied topic, summarize the complex information into concise note for quick revision before the exam, and create flashcard or use digital tool for effective memorization of key concept, term, and formula. It is also very critical to solve the previous year question papers. Practice solving previous year question paper to understand the exam pattern and gain familiarity with the type of question asked. Analyze your performance, identify your weak areas, and work on improving them. Keep track of the time taken to solve each section to develop better time management skills. And finally, if required, seek expert guidance. Reach out to the professor, mentor, professional, or the senior student who have already qualified or who have taught these kind of examination preparation to the student. I myself has cleared this examination and I have taught to the student also. Try to approach these experts and get the expert guidance from them. And if you are having any doubt, you can clear these doubt with them. And if you are having any particular doubt in your preparation, you can reach to us also and you can drop the questions in the comment section. It is also advisable to attend some workshop, webinar, and online courses conducted by experienced educators to gain the additional insight, especially related to the applied area of biology. And consider joining the study group or forming study partnership to exchange knowledge and motivate each other. Group studies also helps in your preparation, and it is also very important to take care of your well-being. Maintain a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and sufficient sleep to enhance the focus and concentration. Manage your stress effectively through exercise, meditations, deep breathing exercise, or engaging in your hobbies which you enjoy. You can also plan recreational break during your study session to relax and rejuvenate your mind. Preparing for CSIR UGC NET exams without coaching requires dedication, discipline, a well-structured approach. By following these strategies discussed in the video and customizing them to suit your need, you can effectively master the syllabus, enhance your conceptual understanding, and improve your chances of success. Remember, self-study can be challenging, but with the consistency and with the right mindset, you can achieve your goal. Best wishes. Thank you for watching.